Have you ever used WordPress and something went wrong, and the only way to get out of a stressful situation was to start over? Debugging is a necessary component of any project, but WordPress includes debug methods that simplify the process while also standardizing code across the core, plugins, and themes. Let me share an incredible deal for a WordPress plugin that can easily reset, recover, and repair your site. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. If you're searching for a WordPress plugin that can quickly and effectively reset, recover, and repair your site, WP Reset Team is the ideal option. WP Reset is a WordPress plugin that installs themes and plugins, resets defaults, and takes website snapshots. WP Reset allows you to restore everything to its default settings without having to reinstall WordPress or do everything manually. You may even troubleshoot or streamline your site in record speed by resetting or deleting specific parts of it, such as all those unnecessary widgets that are slowing you down. With WP Reset, build a development environment using a feature that allows you to create a collection of plugins and themes to install and activate in bulk from the cloud. Plus, automate the process by having WP Reset take snapshots based on specific actions and occurrences. Use WP Reset's emergency recovery script to reclaim your website, even if you can't access your site admin, especially if you're having the white screen problem. This feature includes over 12 tools, including snapshot support, to help your site get out of any sticky scenario. Client licenses, sites, collections, and snapshots are all managed through the WP Resets dashboard. You can add a new site by disabling the WP Reset plugin on certain sites, or enable white labeling for one client. You can also access remote site actions from the dashboard, such as remote snapshot stats, access to the emergency recovery script, and licensing sync. You need a tool you can rely on whether your WordPress is slowing down due to too many plugins or you simply want to fix your website. With just a few clicks, you can install themes and plugins, reset defaults, and take snapshots of your website, all without having to worry about losing any data. WP Reset makes it simple to rebuild your site from the ground up and saves backups in the cloud in case something goes wrong. WP Reset's lifetime access deal starts at only $49. Save as much as $100. Check out the link below for more details. Go through our collection of current software lifetime deals, available on the right side of your screen. Like and subscribe to get the latest software deals with great discounts. Thanks for watching. See you next time.